Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your EverWebinar subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel your EverWebinar account, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these 6 icons, and you want to click on billing. It looks like a credit card. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see which plan you are. So you can see this one is one of my trial test accounts. However, in order to cancel your EverWebinar, scroll down until you see this information right here. It's a button called Go to Self-Billing. However, before you click on it, here's your order ID. Click on the order ID and copy it to your clipboard, and then click on this button. Okay, once you click there, you're going to need to enter in the email address to your webinar and then also the order ID. Once you've entered in those 2 bits of information, it's going to bring you here. So you can see I have this order right here, and then off to the right, you want to click on Show Detail. Once you click on Show Details, you can see the most recent billing right here, and then you can see this one is scheduled. So in order to cancel, off to the right, you're going to click on the X. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to cancel your EverWebinar account? Go ahead and click on the red button. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my EverWebinar account. But there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.